There is a national stereotype that British people are obsessed with the weather. And there's an element of truth in it. If all else fails, if conversation is faltering, we will instantly resort to commenting on how cold or wet or hot the weather has been of late, but rarely how good it has been. Yet this fascination we Brits have with the weather should hardly come as a surprise to anyone. After all, weather can all too easily make the difference between plenty and famine, survival and death. This is not a topic any human being can afford to ignore. According to my dictionary, weather refers to the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and time, as opposed to climate, which has a wider space-time span. As I write this, for example, the weather in Swindon, England, is sunny and dry with clear blue skies. But it is also colder than usual for summer here, while southern Europe is suffering an intense heat wave. Although the official definition of the weather focuses only on the state of the Earth's atmosphere, which makes it seem limited to the behaviour of a few gases swirling above us, isolated from our everyday existence on the solid surface of the planet, the reality is very different. Weather is as much about what the atmosphere can throw at us on the ground and about the impact it will have on our bodies, crops and habitat as it is about the state of the air. Getting atmospheric. We take the atmosphere for granted. It seems little more than a layer of gas stuck to the outside of the planet by gravity. But this layer forms a vastly complex, ever-changing system, which is why meteorology, the science of predicting the weather, is anything but an easy task. The mix of gases that make up the atmosphere took a significant time to understand. Oxygen, that familiar gas essential for animal life, is around 21% of the atmospheric content, though there is far more nitrogen at 78%. Add to this a range of other lesser gases, notably argon and the greenhouse villain carbon dioxide, water, both in the form of vapour, transparent gas, and tiny droplets, and a host of particles including plenty of bacteria, and you have the near-invisible but essential blanket that gives the Earth the potential for life. However, it does not have a uniform structure. The atmosphere is conventionally divided into 5 layers, the stratosphere being the only one with a name that is frequently used. This sits above the layer that we live in, which has the less familiar designation of the troposphere.